Alrighty, this is the English version of the same Finnish video. So what do we have here is the Safariland 6360 RDS holster and Surefire X300U-A and DG-11 remote switch. So to make it all fit, we've had to do some modifications. It's also like all good projects, played a little bit for it. First of all, third hole drilled. I wish I had a third hole. Normally, if you want to use the in waistband holster, the angle is fucking shit for the this series holsters. Not meant for this, of course. This is pretty fucking high. So it would be like this, but now it's like that, much better. It'll hold. It'll hold. Also open it up a bit here. Could sand it down later. Then the DG-11. So first of all, I think it's really fucking nice to be able to use the light with your middle finger. So much better than using the normal switches on the light, even if you hold it with two hands. I think I don't know how you're supposed to hold it. Perhaps there's a way, but I think it, is pretty shit to use it with your hand on the light. So the DG-11 is pretty good, for now. Unfortunately, it suffers from a known issue. It's not most durable, so, and because the Safariland holsters, for example, are pretty tight, it will rub itself open on here, the side. So to fix that, we have made quotation mark rails. So you can see here some wire, and it's supposed to be riding on those, and also wrapped in some tape, so it won't, tear open. Adds a bit of girth here, makes it more thick. It's not the most well formed anyways, so while you can make it fit without sanding, I think sanding is a much better option. So let's see if it's any way possible. Yeah, you can see there. I sanded it down a bit. Also put some nitrile gloves to the bottom to make it so that you cannot push the gun out of battery when inserting. But now fits pretty good. Still a bit tight in a way, the last part, but it locks up, no issues. Easy to pull down or pull away and holster, so it works. But yeah, return policy I don't think it applies anymore, but at least it works now, and works pretty good. The only issue with the light is that on draw, if you're not careful, or if you don't know what you're doing, if you're under stress, you probably will engage the light while drawing. So yeah, it locked up good. So you can make it easily if you know what to do, but just normal drawing, like if you grip tightly, it will activate the light. But I think that's just a matter of learning, and it doesn't matter if you activate the light, like in most situations, especially if you're using it for competition. Any case, that's it. Modifications so far done. Thinking about doing something else actually later. Let's see. gunsmithing 3 a.m. complete.